How to text someone who blocked you on iMessage. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipan Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can text someone who blocked you on iMessage. Now, the first thing what you can do is, first what you'll have to know is you won't be able to know if someone has blocked you on iMessage. You might be sending the message from your end, but they might not be receiving it since they have blocked you. Now, if they are not replying at all, then it might mean that they are simply ignoring you, or if you feel that they have blocked you, then there is another way. What you can do is, on the sent message that you wish to send them, tap and hold on it, and there you can see the more option. You can tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see the share option or the forward option here at the bottom right corner of the screen, right? You want to simply tap on it, and now you can simply enter in their email here. So what you'll be doing is you'll be sending them through the email where you are not blocked potentially, because they have blocked you on the iMessage, so they might not have blocked you on email. So if you have their email address, you can always send them through email. Now, if that's not the case, then the only way to text them is to change your number, or you can text them through other numbers as well. So this way you can text someone who blocked you on iMessage. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.